Go walk over there.
Well, this is how you die. You die bonfire. You gotta get the protective clothing.
Get a bit closer, get a bit closer.
You gotta get protective clothing. Makes it a good time. That's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have a good time. Next thing, you need to go. For example, we have an honor catalog.
Don't let Muggles at you.
Very fine, is it? It will all help us have a good time. For what? We want a good time.
You got a nightie on. and a pair of trousers on his head. Oh, we've got a stone.
Fiona this.
Good time.
Gotta have a good time.
What, trousers on your head?
What's it?
Oh my god, I'm burning my trousers, that big.
He's like, oh, you gotta stop it now.
Who's Roger?
Yeah. I'm running with you.
Okay.
I'm running. This plastic game. Melting.
Now, this is one safety item I don't need. It's a spare 90.
You already got one on.
In it goes.
In it goes.
We also have a belt with a metal attachment. Now, these can explode. I want to do that. I would make it a bad
Everything explode.
A bad
I want to see it.
No, don't stick it all in, just dangle it in. Get some WD-40 on the bastard.
This is my old belt from this game. There's no way it's my belt, actually.
No, I'm an expert, so I don't need to test it. Just can afford to go in.
You're such a quit.
If you're a lunatic like Michael there, you doesn't wear safety clothing, then I don't admire that.
This is leather, what does that burn like?
I don't know, like a cow. Like a cow, like.
Like a cow.
We need to get some WD-40 on James.
John James.
I want him to put on a bit of burning clothing.
Burning Man.
He's fucking ridiculous, that noisy on.
I was trying to be honest, lads, but burn this theory they seem to get.
I'm everyone.
Make to have a good time.
That's actually blue on this camera. Oh my god.
Bad time.
How did you zoom in on this?
That one there.
Yeah, that's it.
You nearly ran out of wood and shit. We're not running out of alcohol catalogue.
Fucking hell, my hand, dude.
Big nice. Can't get it off. I actually can't. There you go.
Get it in there.
Well, that was a silk sheet, though. That can withstand a blade impact, so I'm sure it's only going to fly.
I
don't need it because I'm a trained bonfire expert.
Native Americans used to wear that shit.
You may have seen bonfires at 83 Highbury Grove. That was me.
That is still on fire.
Good day. That's what I say. So you can make a bad song.
Stop talking like that, you faggot.
Bad song.
No, I'll do it. There you go. Take over.
I'm stopping it now.